Hello everyone, Annette here. So this is tutorial 3 of the XOXO network. So I'm continuing with the compensation plan. So in my previous video I spoke about level 1. Now I'm going to attempt to explain level 2. Pool 2. As I said before, XOXO network has 7 pools. So you can see from the back office here, there you can make seven entries. Now on pool 1, you need to refer in order to earn. Once you register for pool 1 with 0.1 ETH, then it opens all these other pools to you. So one of the beautiful things about XOXO network is once you're registered, even if you're not on pool 2 to 7, if you invite someone and they come in below you, then they sign up for a level, say they sign up for level 2 or 3 or any one of these levels, even if you're not on these levels, you will receive your commission on this level, which I think is really, really awesome, because most other programs you would have to join to be able to earn from the other levels. Okay, so if somebody comes in, everybody registers at level 1, but if you invite someone and they go up to level 3 or level 4, you would still get paid. Okay, so if you're getting paid even though you're not registered, you might ask, so what is the benefit of me, joining the other levels? Okay, so let's go back over to the, let's look at their compensation plan here. So the benefit of joining the other pools, I'll just discuss pool 2 because all the other pools are the same. The benefit of joining the pools is that this is how you will earn passive income. Yeah, so once you've joined the pool, so level 2, pool 2 is 0.2 ETH to start, and how it works basically is this in the pools above level 1, it's a global effort. So once you sign up, anybody that comes in after you have upgraded to this level gets put in under you. Now you will get, once you have 3 people placed under your direct line, then you will earn a total of 0.3 ETH. You will get 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and then the next person that comes in will put you back into the pool to be recycled, and so that you earn continuously as people keep coming into the pool, and all the other levels work the same. I hope that is clear. I'm going to end this now, and if you have any questions, please, I'm going to put a Telegram link below. Please come over there and just post your question, and any one of us in the team that's available will be happy to answer your question. I don't want to make this video too long. Also, please subscribe, like, and share if you found this information useful. Okay, thank you.